The Gohelper Door Hinge Jig kit uses a machined aluminum alloy body that feels far more rigid and stable than the usual plastic hinge templates. Its adjustable layout handles common hinge sizes from roughly 2½ inches up to 5 inches in length, covering both rounded and square corner styles when paired with a chisel. A built-in depth reference makes it straightforward to dial in hinge leaf thickness, so the mortises come out flush without trial and error. The included router bit, self-centering drill bit, and double-ended screwdriver bit turn this into a complete setup that can go from bare door to mounted hinges without hunting for extra tools. Silicone pads on the underside grip the door securely and protect the surface, which helps keep the template from shifting while you are routing. Despite being aimed at serious door work, the jig is simple enough that a patient first-time user can achieve professional-looking hinge recesses after a short learning curve.